Demand, linked to the construction sector undergoing major technological transformation, has determined the need to offer instruments suitable for this new request. Within the ambit of anti-pollution technology for water purification and dehydration of sludge coming from industrial production processes, without doubt, Tecnoidea Impianti's Fpta 1620 overhead beam filter press represents the answer the market was long awaiting. Internationally patented and equipped with 100 plates, the Fpta 1620 is presently the leading model of the Tecnoidea Impianti range. Destined for major facilities dedicated to the extraction of aggregates and their successive washing, the Fpta 1620 filter press combines technology and total reliability. It boasts a high level of customization, necessary for its perfect integration with other technologies present in this type of plant. The value of a business is dictated by the value of its customer's life cycle. For the production of this film, 2 Tecnoidea Impianti facilities were chosen, each different to the other, but particularly significant when it comes down to the technical solutions utilized. They treat both recycled material and natural aggregates, with a significant flow of washing water and continuous working cycles, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Both are located in Central Europe and represent a point of reference in their area. The first facility, Sabbia Brenta, is located in the province of Padova, northern Italy. Present on the market since 1969, it has been using an Fpta 1620 filter press since 2009. On the other hand, the second facility, Gesa Gravier de Pes, is located at Geneva in French-speaking Switzerland. For the technology installed, its conformity to environmental protection policies and extraction capacity, it represents the reference benchmark for the whole area it belongs to. The high level of sludge production lies behind the practical choice to equip an extraction plant with a technology such as the Fpta 1620 filter press. The extracted material reaches the washing sieves by means of conveyor belts. Thousands of liters per minute of high-pressure water wash the aggregates and are then conveyed to the dirty water collecting pit. The plant we are looking at is able to manage 1,020 cubic meters per hour with a dry solid in suspension equal to about 50,000 kilograms per hour. The wastewater coming from the aggregate washing fills the collection pit. A flocculating, non-toxic and biodegradable substance is added to the wastewater in the static settling tank. The flocculation process is fundamental in guaranteeing the maximum efficiency in the water recovery and its successive closed-loop reuse in the plant. The wastewater is analyzed in the Tecnoidea laboratories with the aim of finding the best flocculant type in relation to the aggregate being treated in the plant. The efficiency of suspended solid capture is in the order of 99.5%, with peaks of even 99.9% by weight. In the plant, the flocculation process is constantly monitored by a wastewater sampling device in the center of the settling tank. By means of an infrared beam reading unit, the system is able to continuously monitor the turbidity value, increasing or decreasing the quantity of flocculant added to the wastewater. The sludge thickens on the settling tank's conical bottom and is discharged by gravity in the storage basin below. At the edges of the settling tank, perfectly cleaned water overflows into the adjacent channel, clear and ready to be reutilized in the washing plant. An agitator keeps the homogeneity of the sludge constant while it awaits transfer to the filter press. With a non-deformable frame that guarantees the filter press matchless solidity, the machine has been designed to work under any atmospheric conditions. During construction, it is subjected to a particular rust-proofing treatment that involves a cycle of SA 2.5 sandblasting down to bare metal, the application of a layer of pure zinc, and finally a careful epoxy painting process. With the plates pack in a closed position, a double-stage centrifugal pump transfers and pressurizes the liquid sludge from the storage tank into the filtration chambers. In the current simulation, we can see how the solid sludge particles are captured by the cloth frame. In the filter press, the water will pass through the filtering cloths before reaching, via the drainage channels of the plates, the drip tray located below. With working pressures up to 16 bar, it is possible to achieve an excellent dehydration of the sludge. Normally in the aggregate field, a dehydration percentage ranging between 70 and 85% by weight can be achieved. The filtering time can be varied by the operator, increasing or decreasing the level of sludge dehydration and consequently the residual humidity value in the pressed cakes. With the opening of the plates, the sludge cakes detach from the cloths by gravity and fall into the storage area below. A single Fpta 1620 filter press equipped with 100 plates is able to produce 6.2 cubic meters of sludge per filtering cycle, equivalent to 12.4 tons per cycle. The dehydrated and extremely compact sludge is loaded onto lorries for reuse or for possible alternative disposal. Cloth washing is managed automatically by the machine and is programmed according to the needs of the material treated by the whole plant. 16 high-pressure nozzles produce a water jet capable of removing every residue material present on the cloths. To allow a correct vision, 8 nozzles have been inhibited in these images. A synoptic touchscreen panel allows the operator to take every type of action on the plant, monitoring the entire process. In the Geneva facility, it has been placed in the technical room under the static settling tank, and it can be remotely controlled via a normal internet connection. You will depend less on the future if you have the present in hand.
Hungary says it will take more than a year and cost tens of millions of dollars to clear up the damage caused by toxic sludge.
Le piogge di questi giorni hanno rotto le vasche che contenevano il fango tossico ed 1 milione di metri cubi di liquidi si sono riversati sulle strade e nelle campagne.
Sludge has a high heavy metal content and most of the injuries are burns to parts of the body which came into contact.
Safeguarding the environment is a priority, not just in more industrialized countries, but also in those situations where, until today, a true territorial protection policy has been lacking. With the Fpta 1620 model, now expandable to over 140 plates, Tecnoidea Impianti is serenely aware that it has built another opportunity for an equal partnership with all its future customers.